Whether you love or hate capitalism, I believe we can all agree that capitalism is a monster. Some people get eaten by the monster, and some people capture the monster and use it to eat people. What a horrible analogy. Essentially, what I'm trying to communicate is that growth is the engine of capitalism. And for the past 3 to 4 decades, the USA has been the engine for capitalism. Don't get me wrong, the US is still a major engine of capitalism, but its growth has slowed as an aging population, high government debt, expensive housing, and weaker productivity growth make rapid expansion harder. The capital goes where it can build, and outside of AI, the US isn't building enough new productive capacity to attract trillions of dollars in fresh investment. When an economy stops creating enough new opportunities for capital to deploy, investors increasingly look elsewhere for growth. Outside of Asia, Africa is becoming one of the places where global capital increasingly wants to be deployed. Why, you ask? Let me break it down for you. Energy. Africa has enormous unmet electricity demand alongside solar, hydro, geothermal, gas, and other energy resources. Investors can finance the construction of entirely new energy systems. Kenya, for example, is targeting a major expansion of electricity generation, including geothermal, hydro, and nuclear. Number 2. Critical minerals. The global economy is becoming more dependent on minerals needed for batteries, grids, electronics, and advanced manufacturing. Africa has major deposits of cobalt, lithium, manganese, and platinum group metals. Then there's infrastructure. Africa needs enormous amounts of roads, ports, railways, electricity grids, telecommunications, housing, water systems, and of course, data centers. This is exactly the type of environment where infrastructure funds, private equity, sovereign wealth funds, and institutional investors can deploy very large amounts of capital. But outside of resources and infrastructure, Africa is one of the world's major population growth stories. More people means urbanization, rising consumption, industrialization, and workers. That's just 2 minutes of me sharing what's been on my mind.